5 minus 1 1 3 has. So regarding eigenvector, they given some option. So let us find out eigenvector. Right. To find eigenvector, what we should find eigenvalues first, right? So sum of the eigenvalues should be trace of this matrix, that is 5 plus 3 8, right? And product of the eigenvalues, that should be determinant of this matrix, that means 15 plus 1 16. Obviously lambda 1 is equal to 4, lambda 2 is equal to 4, then only 4 plus 4 8, 4 into 4 16 will come. Only one option we have, right? So one independent eigenvector only. See, if different eigenvalues, different eigenvector we will get, right? But here the same eigenvalues came, two eigenvalues only for 2 by 2 matrix, but corresponding to this 4 we will get an eigenvector that is same as those of next eigenvalues, because both eigenvalues are same. So identical eigenvectors only we get. So that means one independent eigenvector. Alright.